Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to create fill-in-the-blank sentences for your Spanish Anki cards in seconds, right from your phone. When you're speaking Spanish with friends, you note unfamiliar words. But later, typing full prompts into ChatGPT breaks your flow. Wouldn't it be faster to get a ready-made close sentence in one tap? That's why I built AnkiMaker.xyz, a simple web app that turns any Spanish word or phrase into a perfectly formed close sentence for Anki. Here's how it works. With the page open in Chrome, select Spanish, enter your word or phrase, and hit Generate Close. Instantly, you get a sentence with the blank ready for Anki's close deletion format. For one-tap access, add AnkiMaker.xyz to your home screen. Open Chrome with the app loaded, tap the menu, choose Add to Home Screen, then head back to your home screen to see the new icon. With AnkiMaker.xyz, you eliminate repetitive typing, keep the momentum from your conversations, and build your Spanish deck faster than ever. Give it a try today at AnkiMaker.xyz, and if you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more language learning tips. Hasta luego!